Welcome to Methodist TV News with me, Wesley Leonardy. On August 15, 2024, we bring several pieces of information that is currently happening within this week for 3 minutes. And the headline for today is about Google brings AI answers in search to new countries. Google parent Alphabet, or Google.O, said on Thursday, August 15, it was expanding its AI-generated summaries for search queries to 6 new countries. Just 2 months after it rolled back some capabilities following a problem-riddled launch. The search giant made AI overviews, which are displayed atop a search results page before traditional links to the web, available to all U.S. users in May after spending a year trialing a limited earlier version. The feature was widely panned after screenshots of factually inaccurate answers circulated across the internet, such as a pizza recipe that listed glue as an ingredient, and an answer claiming that former U.S. President Barack Obama is Muslim. Google acknowledged the odd and erroneous overviews and announced updates to the product in a blog post in late May. These updates added restrictions to which queries would display AI answers and curbed user-generated content from websites like Reddit from serving as source material for answers. I have enough evidence to say that quality is only improving, Hema Buddharaju, a senior director of products at Google, told Reuters in an interview on Wednesday. She pointed to data Google collects internally, which showed that users with access to the feature reported higher levels of satisfaction and searched for longer queries than users who did not. AI overviews are now coming to Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, and Britain, in local languages such as Hindi and Portuguese. Google is also adding hyperlinks to the feature. Websites will be displayed on the right side of the AI-generated answer. The company is also internally testing a further update that would add links directly within the text of the overview. The updates come amid concerns voiced by the media industry about the possibility of losing out on referral traffic from consumers who click through to publishers' websites. Buddharaju said the new update will have a three-way benefit for Google, consumers, and publishers. Last week, a U.S. judge ruled Google had an illegal monopoly on search, clearing the way for a trial that could force the breakup of Alphabet. AI advances from rivals like Microsoft Bard or MSFT.O. OpenAI could pose an even bigger threat. Well, everyone, that's all the news for today. For more information, please kindly visit our website on www.methodisttv.com. And I am Wesley Leonardy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and signing out.